case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark court case in 1992 saw former employee of Kentucky Fried Chicken National Management Company, KFC, Sarita J. Weathersby, argue that her employer and manager had caused her substantial emotional distress, in turn leading to her disability. The case, Kentucky Fried Chicken National Management Company versus Weathersby, presented a complex consideration of the standards of conduct within an employer-employee relationship. Weathersby initially triumphed in the circuit court for Montgomery County, which awarded her damages of $145,000. Judge Vincent Ferretti, Jr., however, did not second this decision. Instead, he granted KFC's appeal for judgment notwithstanding the verdict, claiming that the company's actions did not reach the legal threshold for inflicting intentional emotional distress. In a twist of events, the Court of Special Appeals opposed Judge Ferretti's decision and reinstated the original verdict in Weathersby's favor. But the pendulum of justice swung once again when KFC appealed this ruling. The case was then escalated to the Court of Appeals of Maryland. In the ultimate decision, the Court of Appeals reversed the outcome of the lower court. In this, it based its judgment on the grounds that liability is determined by the defendant's conduct, not simply the plaintiff's right to compensation. In this specific situation, the court stated that the behavior of KFC and Weathersby's manager could be interpreted differently depending on the observer, suggesting it wasn't definitively outrageous. However, the ruling was not without controversy. The majority opinion seemed to disregard the concept of workers suffering emotional distress from their employer's outrageous conduct. The dissenting voice proposed what seemed like a drastic idea: bury the tort of intentional infliction of emotional distress entirely. The suggestion implied that any potential future applications of this tort would not justify the cost and effort of litigation. This high-profile case triggered debates about the interpretation of laws guiding the employer-employee relationship and the validity of claiming emotional distress harm in a professional context. Whether its outcomes are a deviation or a game-changer remains to be seen.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.